All right, guys, it's Thursday. Today we are going to be doing page 254 and 255 in our iReady or our Ready Math 3 plus 8 book. This is lesson 26. Recognize and draw shapes. Today we are doing the practice page, and this is just 3 questions, so it shouldn't be very long. First, we're going to read the example. The directions say, study the model below, then solve problems 10 through 12. So here's our example. Lynn drew a hexagon that is different from the ones on the previous page. What could her shape look like? Make a drawing. You could use dot paper to show your work. You can use dot paper to show your work. All right, so we know that a hexagon has 6 sides. So Lynn's hexagon has 6 sides. The answer says, this shape has 6 sides. It is a hexagon. So any way that you can draw a shape with 6 sides, it will be a hexagon. And it's easier when you use lined paper with like graph paper or dotted paper. So make sure that you have straight lines and good angles. All right. So let's look down at number 10. It says, draw a shape that has 5 sides. Write the name of the shape. So let's get our pencils out. If you do not have this page, just get out a piece of notebook paper and you can draw the shapes with me. You don't have to have dots. You can just draw the shapes that I draw. So we're drawing a shape that has 5 sides and we're going to write the name of the shape. Okay? So let's see. 5 sides. There's one side. 2. It's kind of hard to do on this iPad. 3. 4. 5. So my shape has 5 sides. What is a shape with 5 sides called? Do you remember? 5 sides and 5 angles means this shape is a pentagon. This shape is a pentagon. And always a period. All right, let's go to the next page. Number 11. All right, solve the riddle. I have fewer sides than a pentagon. I am not a quadrilateral. What am I? All right, so I have fewer sides than a pentagon. We know that a pentagon has 5 sides. Okay, so it's not 5 sides. Let's mark out 5. I am not a quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral has 4 sides. We know that it's not a quadrilateral. How many sides could this shape have? What am I? It says what shapes have fewer sides than a pentagon? Think about that. I know that a triangle has fewer sides than a pentagon, and it is not a quadrilateral. A pentagon has 5 sides. This shape has either 3 or 4. It is not a quadrilateral, so it has to have 3 sides. So the shape is a triangle. Is a triangle. All right, I'm going to get my pen tomorrow. Mr. Sowards bought us pens, so I'm going to use my pen and it won't look so sloppy. All right, number 12. Which statement is true? A, rectangles are not quadrilaterals. B, quadrilaterals can have 5 angles. C, all quadrilaterals have 4 sides. D, all quadrilaterals have 4 equal sides. All right, so let's figure out which statement is true first. The little moose says, make a picture of all the different quadrilaterals you know. Okay, we could do that. So rectangles are not quadrilaterals. Now we know that a quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. And we know that a rectangle does. So this statement is rectangles are quadrilaterals. So that is not true. Let's look at the next one. Quadrilaterals can have 5 angles. That is not true. We know that quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 angles. Let's look at the next one. C. All quadrilaterals have 4 sides? Yes, we know that's true. They have 4 sides and 4 angles. Let's read D just to make sure. D. All quadrilaterals have 4 equal sides. Now, in a quadrilateral, our sides do not have to be equal. So that is not true. So we know the answer is C. It's our best answer. All right, let's read the next part. Alma chose D as the answer. This answer is wrong. How did Alma get her answer? So squares and rhombuses have 4 equal sides. Alma thought that squares and rhombuses are the only kinds of quadrilaterals. Rectangles are quadrilaterals that don't have all equal sides. All right, so we're going to write squares and rhombuses are HOMBUSES have 4 equal equal sides and are quadrilaterals. QUADRILATERALS, but rectangles, RACTANGLES, are 2, they are quadrilaterals that, well, my pen's not working. They are also, and they do not have equal sides. All right, guys. Sorry, my pen stopped working down here at the bottom. But rectangles are quadrilaterals, and they do not have all equal sides. So the best answer was C. All right, thanks, guys. We'll be back tomorrow for Friday's lesson.